Racing just is started with Empire Glory. Break weekly restart. Friends of Doc is down on the inside. London Dry comes next. Gold Mine inner class. Then running by the release full of action. Mount Panama Rocky Peller. While Storm Trooper is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn with Empire Glory now takes command by our nose. Friends of Doc is down on the inside second. Gold Mine is racing in third. Alongside comes London Dry. While Empire Glory having some problem. Back to the leader. We have Friends of Doc by about 3 lengths. Gold Mine in second. Inner class now trying to get closer in third. London Dry is racing in fourth. Then next on line now is Full of Action. Then followed over by Mount Panama, Rocky Feller, and Storm Trooper. Now racing in last, and Diana entering the home stretch. A long shot, Friends of Doc maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Moving up now on the outside is inner class. London Dry in the middle portion with about 100 meters of the race. Friends of Doc moving up inner class. Rocky Feller is on the outside, and finally it's going to be a close finish between Rocky Peller and number 9 inner class. Then comes Friends of Dog, London Dry. Go.
All right, so we